Man, choosing your character in the game is so hard. So many damn decisions. So I guess I'll try to be sniper. Oh shit. I changed my gun. That's the gun. So come 16. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Or maybe I just be. Maybe I'll just be assault. Oh man. Yo, someone just fucked with my class. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. See, I need. They're using tear gas last time. I don't think I need a gas mask. Woo! Yeah. Now that guy ain't gonna fuck with me. There's a dark cloud. I need some night vision. Yeah. Now I'm ready to rock and roll. That's what I'm talking about. Ah, fuck it. I think I'll try an engineer class or something. Oh, fuck. Engineer class? Need a backup pistol. You can get the Glock 18. Woo, yeah. Need an extended mag. That's what I'm talking about. Extendo clip. Oh man. Who made this class? Oh, I only have 5 seconds left. Pick anything. What the hell is this shit? Oh man. And my girlfriend must have been. Now I'm stuck with a pink gun and sunglasses.